So in today's episode, we're making Paul's 10th downpipe. No, we're going to try putting like a 2-foot extension or whatever onto the tip there to get the exhaust out to the outside. And then we're also going to make up his wastegate, which is basically going to do like a little UE, and then it's going to come up, do a 90, and out the fender. And then if we're feeling frisky, we can make a new outer ring, but we'll see how far we can get.
I got a new metal for that. It's too thin.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Need like double that thickness.
Well, it should be fine as long as you're not whacking your exhaust up against it.
Yeah, we have to.
That didn't help.
We'll just have to weld the exhaust to the body. Because we got the flex pipe now.
Oh, yeah.
And
But, yeah. Let's do this. Alright, so this is what we got. So basically it sits in there like this, and it's angled, and then it'll go out. So, we gotta take off the downpipe to be able to finagle this bitch in, hopefully. So yeah, let's see with it on there, after we get that thing off. And then Paul marked the exhaust where he wants that tip, so we'll weld the tip on too once the exhaust is down and off. So yeah, let's get it done. How it goes. So I got a tack on there, and then heard the wonderful little noise of no wire. So we just ran out of wire again. Awesome. But yeah, Paul's gonna get that thing wrapped, and then we can put that on. So at least that'll be on there. But yeah, that sucks. We're over here, Paul's over here dying. But yeah, getting this thing wrapped up. I don't think we're gonna be able to get too far. We might, I don't even know if we're gonna make it around that corner.
I doubt it.
I don't know if we want to stop it early then.
We'll see how far it gets.
Just gonna send it. But yeah, we're getting that, and then we're gonna move. Got the Conquest back down on the ground. We'll have to push it over there, and then run to take the fiero and run to the home of the depot. But yeah, so far so good. Back in business. All right, so here we are, day 2.
That's a lie.
Even though it's literally like 15 minutes after I last recorded, but got that thing welded on. And now we're gonna wrap this, and then hopefully we can finagle it up in there. Some V-bands would have gone a long way. But apparently Paul's cheaping out.
Shut up. Don't talk to me or my car ever again.
Such a cheapskate. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Did you just see what you did?
What did I do? Skip this completely?
Oh my god. Do you want to burn up your car? Because it's how it burns up.
That's not true at all. It's been without anything for a long time. Just cover up these.
This is how you do
welds.
it. You be an adult and you touch the fiberglass barehanded.
Like a man.
Like an adult. Like an adult man.
You get it on your arms too, just to make sure.
Yeah.
If you don't itch.
Just when you're done, rub your arm up and down the whole thing.
I'm going to go back up now. I'm not going down anymore.
No, just keep going.
No.
Keep going.
Nope.
Stop.
Peace out.
No. Oh my Jesus.
Peace out.
Alright, well, it's in there. Looking super fancy. Got some fancy U-bends and shit. And then it comes out right there. And then the tip is right there. So, looks pretty neato bendito. Now let's see how this shit works. Alright, there it is. It's reasonably quiet now. We went to take it for a spin and definitely just blew something coolant.
Can't see a goddamn thing.
Yeah.
I could see everything. The black, the back thing blew out.
Maybe it just sprayed up on the thing. Yeah, because it doesn't look like it's anywheres. Huh. Well, we'll figure that out. Oh, that tastes terrible. Well, let's figure that out. Alright, well, we figured it out. It's coming from right behind, right there. get it home and figure it out. All right, well, we're home. So, yeah, this is pretty much where we're gonna end this one, I guess. Kind of crappy. We're hoping to go try and do a launch, but apparently this thing has other plans. But yeah, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. All right, so we found the problem. We're trying to find a different screw, and then I don't know if I can get it to focus, but look at those threads. Those are fucking great. So yeah, we're gonna tap those out, something bigger, and then put a new bolt in. So let's do that. All right, so I got it in there, and now we're just topping off some fluid. All right, well, it's coming out just a little bit, but it'll be fine for now until we can, we'll pull it back out, re-drill it, and tap it in a different location on it, and it should be fine. So yeah, that's where we'll end it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. All right, I'm editing up some videos, and I just realized I don't have an explanation, I guess. I don't know. I just didn't film very much for Autumn Motion, so here's some bonus content after you just got done watching the Wastegate stuff. So, boop, boop. All right, might as well get this show on the road. So we have Autumn Motion. I hate that. It doesn't come off your mouth very well.
Your car. We almost have red, white, and blue.
Oh yeah, we gotta do a swap-a-roo.
All I gotta do is move.
No, that doesn't work. Then the sign's in the way. And we should go, let's go park up there.
Okay.
All right? Okay, so,
Yay!
Morgan here, the guy that had a barth. The actual name, the bath's the joke. But yeah, this is what he's got now. He traded it. What is it? 2015 Ford Fiesta ST, 6-speed. I don't know what is it, like a 2-liter?
1.6.
1.6. Jesus.
Still a leader
Good
behind.
God.
He's catching up though.
But yeah. But now we just kind of realized America, so we're gonna go up there and do a quick little photo shoot. So let's do that. Look at that. Yeah, it's good. I'm like looking at the camera. I was like, it's backwards. Yeah. Depends on where you're looking.
Wait, you take a picture.
If you take quick. But yeah, let's get. All right. Well, we're here. See what we got here before the sun goes down, and then it gets impossible to see anything. This is like Friday. We'll flip you around here. And there I am, pulled over for no rear bumper. Screw me. There it is, bumper's back on. Damn shame. But that's good enough for now. Until I can make a rear bash bar. Alright, that's that.